Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Trust Wallet application on your iPhone. In order to download Trust Wallet on your iPhone, first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once you have it, go to your App Store and tap it on. In the search box at the top, type in Trust Wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result on the next page. This one's the app you should be downloading. Tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for your application. With the Trust Wallet application, you can easily buy your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more, view prices and charts, exchange your coins instantly, send and receive crypto, and much more. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet. Once the application gets downloaded, you should see an open button popping up right under the application. Tap it on to launch the app open, and there you have downloaded Trust Wallet application for your iPhone. How to download Trust Wallet application on your desktop. In order to download the Trust Wallet application on your desktop, the first thing to do is to download an Android emulator. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. You can do the same as well. Once you have it, click it open. Once you open up your BlueStacks Android emulator, go to the Play Store option and click it on. This will open up your Play Store. All of the applications that are available for your Android device will be available for your desktop as well if you use the BlueStacks Android emulator. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Trust Wallet and search. Tap on the install button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process for your desktop. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed. Soon after it does, you should see an open button right next to the app. Click it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to get Trust Wallet application for your desktop. In order to get it for your desktop, all you need to do is go and download an Android emulator.
To download Trust Wallet on your Android phone. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then type in Trust Wallet. Once you are done typing, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Once the search is complete, click on the Trust Wallet icon and then this tab should open up. Now click on the install button. The downloading process has now started and now all you have to do is wait. Once the downloading percentage hits 100, the app will be successfully downloaded on your mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, the app is now ready to be used. You can click the open button and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app is now ready to be used.
How to sign up for Trust Wallet. Open up your Trust Wallet application in order to launch it on. If you've not downloaded the application yet, go to your App Store and download it first. Once you have it, tap it open. This is the first interface of Trust Wallet. If you already have an account, you can tap on I already have a wallet button at the bottom. If you don't, tap on Create a new wallet to sign up. Now, review the Trust Wallet Terms of Services and Privacy Policy and tap on I've read and accept the Terms of Services and Privacy Policy box and tap Continue at the bottom. It says that you'll need to back up your wallet now. In the next step, you'll see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. If you lose your recovery phrases, then you won't be able to access your wallet. So at the bottom of the page, tap on this box right here that says, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet, and tap Continue. On the next page, your recovery phrases will be displayed. Simply copy the phrase and place it somewhere else safe. After you're done, tap Continue. On the next page, verify your recovery phrases by putting them in the correct order. Simply select all of the recovery phrases in the correct order and then tap Continue at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for Trust Wallet. Tap on OK and there you have it. Allow Trust Wallet to send you notifications by tapping on Allow. And this is your dashboard for your Trust Wallet. All of the tokens that you have will be displayed on this page. That is how you'll be able to sign up for Trust Wallet.
How to create an account on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Trust Wallet account. Here, click on Create a new wallet. It will take you to this page. Here are some privacy policies and terms of condition. Click on the square button here and then click on Continue. Now let's repeat the same process once again. Click on the square button and then click on Continue. These are some of the recovery phrases you will need to log in into your account. Copy them and save them well, because without them you cannot log in into your account. So click on copy, and then as you can see, these are the same phrases you copied a while ago. So arrange them accordingly, and then once you are done, click on the next button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your account has now been successfully created. As you can see, your account is now ready to be used. How to log in into your Trust Wallet account? Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Trust Wallet app. Once this tab is open, click on I already have an account in the bottom. Here, click on the square here and then click on continue. This is where you'll have to add in a passcode. The screen is currently blank due to Trust Wallet's privacy policy, and once you're done writing the passcode, it should take you to this page. Click on multi-code wallet, which is in the first option. Here you'll have to add the secret phrase you copied while creating the account. Once you are done writing the secret phrases, you should be directly logged in into your account. And that's pretty much it. You should be now successfully logged in into your Trust Wallet account.
How to log into Trust Wallet on your iPhone. In order to log into Trust Wallet on your iPhone, first, make sure you've downloaded the Trust Wallet application on your iPhone. Once you have it, tap it open. Now, this is the first interface of Trust Wallet. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create a new wallet and follow the instructions. If you'd like to log into your existing wallet, tap on I already have a wallet link at the bottom. Now, tap on the multi-coin wallet at the top of the screen. Right where it says recovery phrases, type in your recovery phrases that you backed up while signing up for the account. Once you're done typing in your recovery phrases, tap on the import button at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a few seconds and your wallet will be imported successfully. Tap OK. Enable push notifications to stay up to date for incoming and outgoing transactions. And there you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet on iPhone. How to log into Trust Wallet on your desktop. In order to log into Trust Wallet on your desktop, the first thing to do is to make sure you've downloaded an Android emulator. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. You can download any one that you'd like. Once you have your Android emulator, launch it open, and then open up your Trust Wallet application. If you've not downloaded it with your BlueStacks, go to your Play Store button and search for Trust Wallet in the search box. Simply download the application on your desktop and click it open to launch it on. Now, this is the first interface of Trust Wallet. As soon as you open it up, if you already have a wallet, you can click on this I already have a wallet button at the bottom. If you don't, you'll need to create a new wallet by clicking on this create a new wallet button in blue. Since we are signing into our account, let's click on this I already have a wallet button. Now, go through the privacy policy and terms of services of Trust Wallet and click on I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy at the bottom. Click on continue. Select your wallet from the top of the screen and then type in your recovery phrases that you've backed up from the wallet. Make sure to type in your recovery phrases one by one into the correct order. After you're done typing in all of your phrases, click on import. And soon after you do that, wait for a few seconds until your wallet gets imported, and there you are signed into your account. Click on Done. Enable the push notifications by clicking on Enable button, and there you go. This is the main home page for your Trust Wallet. That is how you'll be able to log into your Trust Wallet account with the help of your desktop. How to add browser to Trust Wallet. If you'd like to get dApps on Trust Wallet on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application and sign into it. Once you do that, you'll end up in the main home page of Trust Wallet. Now, from this page, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Select Preferences from the menu. Now click dApp Browser. In the new tab, enable the dApp browser by tapping on the button right next to Enable. Now go to your dashboard and you'll be able to see that the dApps browser has been enabled. That is how you'll be able to add the browser on Trust Wallet. How to add coins to your Trust Wallet. Tap open your Trust Wallet application first. By default, you'll be presented in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. Now simply tap on the toggle sign at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Scroll down to view the list of the supported assets that you'd like to add on Trust Wallet. Now, in order to add a coin, simply enable the button right next to it. Once you do that, tap on Done at the top right hand, and you'll be able to see that the coin has been added in your dashboard. You'll be able to see the newly added coin in the main screen of Trust Wallet. If you'd like to remove a coin or a token, tap on the toggle button at the top right hand one more time, and then simply disable the button right next to the coin that you'd like to remove and tap on Done at the top right. you'll be able to see that the coin has been now removed from the home page. That is how you'll be able to add coins on Trust Wallet. How to add money to Trust Wallet. In order to add money to Trust Wallet, tap open the Trust Wallet application and sign into your account first. Once you're logged in, you'll end up in this page. For example, let's say you'd want to buy Bitcoin. Simply tap on Bitcoin from the Tokens menu and then tap on Buy Bitcoin. Now, go ahead and type in the amount that you would like to buy. You'll have to put in a minimum of 50. So go ahead and type in the amount that you'd like to buy. Now, right beneath, you can choose what providers that you would like to use. In order to pay, go ahead and choose one of the providers. You can choose the best rate. Since MoonPay has it right now, let me tap on MoonPay. Now finally tap on the next button at the bottom. Now you need to go ahead and log into your MoonPay account. If you don't have it yet, create a new one. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and log into your MoonPay account, and that way you'll be able to add money on Trust Wallet. How to change your Trust Wallet passcode. If you'd like to change your passcode on your Trust Wallet account, first thing to do is launch your Trust Wallet application open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, go to the settings button from the main home page, which is located at the bottom right corner. Now, from this settings menu, tap on the security button. Enable the button right next to the app lock option and set a new passcode for your Trust Wallet. Re-enter your passcode one more time, and there you have enabled the app lock for your Trust Wallet account. If you'd like to change your passcode, then simply disable the app lock feature, enable it one more time, and every time you do so, you'll need to enter a new passcode. Repeat the process by entering your passcode one more time, and that is how you'll be able to change your passcode for your Trust Wallet account.
How to change a passcode on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the Trust Wallet app. You're probably seeing a black screen here because Trust Wallet does not allow you to screen record or screenshot the PIN codes. So add in a passcode, and once the main tab is open, click on the settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once this tab is open, find security and then tap on it. Now once again add in your passcode. In this tab, you'll see a passcode button in the first option. Turn it off. In order to do so, you'll have to add in your passcode once again, and once you're done, turn on the passcode again. Now this is where you change your password. Make sure to write the password you want to change into, and that's it. Your password should now be successfully changed.
How to find your Trust Wallet address. Start by opening up your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into it, and from the main home page of Trust Wallet, for example, if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address, simply tap on the Bitcoin button and tap on Receive on the next page. You'll be able to see that your Bitcoin wallet address has been displayed on the screen along with the QR code. Simply tap on the Copy button to copy your address, and that way you'll be able to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. How to know your Trust Wallet ID. Open up your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into your wallet. Once you're in, you'll be able to see the list of the cryptocurrencies that you can choose from in the first interface. This includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. You'll need to navigate to the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive by simply tapping it on. For example, if you'd like to receive Bitcoin, then you'll need to tap on the Bitcoin option. If you'd like to receive Ethereum, BNB, or Smart Chain, select according to your choice. Now simply tap on Receive and you'll be able to navigate to the cryptocurrency that you'd want to receive on Trust Wallet. To find its address, simply tap on the Copy button at the bottom of the page, and there you have found your Trust Wallet ID, just like that. If you'd like to share your address with your friends so that they can send you your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, tap on the Share button and share it to one of your contacts. That is how you'll be able to find your ID on Trust Wallet. Whenever someone tries to send you cryptocurrencies, then they'll need to send it to you on your Trust Wallet ID. How to reset your Trust Wallet password. You might be well aware that the recovery phrases on Trust Wallet acts as your password so that no unauthorized person will be able to access your wallet. While creating a wallet, you'll be advised that you'll need to back up your wallet, and if you happen to lose your recovery phrases, then you won't be able to access your wallet. So in that case, you should back up your recovery phrases beforehand in order to protect your wallet from loss. From the main homepage of Trust Wallet, go to the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on your main wallet button at the top and then tap on the eye icon right next to your main wallet. Right where the backup options are displayed, you'll be able to see a Show Recovery Phrase button. Tap it on and tap on I understand the risk and tap on Continue. Your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen, so to protect your wallet beforehand, you'll need to back up your recovery phrases. Simply tap on the copy button and save it somewhere safe for later use. After you're done copying, tap Continue and then choose your recovery phrases one by one into the correct order. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, every time you log into your account, you can simply type in your recovery phrases and you'll land in the main homepage of Trust Wallet. Remember that there is no way you'll be able to recover your wallet if you've lost your recovery phrases, so the only thing that you can do if you lose your recovery phrases is to go ahead and create a new wallet. That is the only way you'll be able to recover your recovery phrases on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.